friends, in this program I'm just explaining you a simple understanding of a C program. It's a hello world program in C, and this will give you a just basic understanding of how the C program will work. In this program we just include the stdio. This is the standard input output header file and the standard app file, and then we add the main function with the void and type, and then we have the printf statement that will print the information on the screen, and then the return statement just to exit from the program. And after writing this statement, after writing these all statements in the program, we will hit this hammer button that is used to build the program. And as you can see, we have a 0 error and 0 warnings, and then we will run this play button to launch it. And here information that we have specified in the printf statement now it's displayed on the screen. Thank you guys, and with the further videos I'm gonna explain a lot high level and complex C program that I actually developed for myself. Now I'm sharing with you guys, and so keep in touch with my channel and also do like and subscribe it. Thank you.